I'm Claudia Zeisberger, Professor of Entrepreneurship and Family Enterprise at INSEAD, and a veteran of 30 years in the financial markets. I'm well known for my expertise in private equity and venture capital, areas highlighted in my best-selling book, Mastering Private Equity. Currently, nevertheless, my focus is on corporate venturing and innovation, a specialized program that I lead at INSEAD for senior decision makers. This program is designed to equip executives and board members with the strategies necessary to future-proof their organizations against rapid market disruption. Today's corporate environment demands not just traditional R&D, but a new approach that emphasizes speed and agility, traits not typically associated with established institutions. Many companies are now looking towards the startup ecosystem for guidance, aspiring to recapture that spirit of innovation. However, integrating the agility of a startup into a large established corporation presents a significant challenge. This is what I refer to as the two-culture problem. Balancing the need to protect and profit from established businesses while simultaneously pushing the boundaries to explore new ventures and technologies is no small feat. It is a complex process of reinventing and rapidly scaling innovations, a challenge many have attempted, but few have succeeded in. In my workshops, we delve into critical questions. First, is investing in startups a viable strategy for corporate innovation? And how can we effectively measure strategic outcomes beyond just financial returns? Second, why might direct involvement with emerging companies be more advantageous than the traditional path of mergers and acquisitions? Thirdly, is the mere proximity to the startup ecosystem enough to inject a company with renewed innovative capacity? And finally, what are the benefits of other models, such as in-house accelerators, venture building, or the venture client model, which has been successfully implemented by European manufacturers to assimilate startup innovations into their R&D. Now, the path forward involves a customized approach, carefully selecting the strategies that best align with an organization's existing framework. It begins with understanding the underlying reasons for innovation, the why, which is often more complex than anticipated. My workshops are intense and transformative. Participants not only gain insights from guest speakers from both multinationals and family-run businesses who have successfully navigated these challenges, they also leave with a practical action plan tailored to their specific needs. Now, I look forward to assisting your organization on this exciting educational journey, helping you apply practical solutions to rejuvenate and innovate your business processes while maintaining the robustness of your core operations.